In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Chrome Remote Desktop app on Android. First, begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon, which usually looks like a multicolored triangle. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to a screen filled with various apps and games. The Play Store is essential for downloading apps safely and securely. It ensures that you get the official version of any application, which helps protect your device from malware. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the Play Store screen. This is where you can enter the name of the app you want to find. Tap on the search bar to activate it, and your keyboard will pop up. This step is important because it allows you to quickly locate the app you need without scrolling through countless options. Just a few taps can save you a lot of time. Now, type in Chrome Remote Desktop into the search bar. Make sure to spell it correctly to find the app easily. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing on your screen. This feature helps you quickly find the app and ensures you are searching for the right one. Once you finish typing, you can hit the search button on your keyboard. After that, look for the app titled Chrome Remote Desktop by Google LLC in the search results. It should be one of the first options listed. The app icon typically resembles a computer screen with a small key. Selecting the right app is crucial because it ensures you are downloading the official version, which is fully functional and secure. Once you have found the correct app, tap on it to open its details page. Here, you will see information about the app, including its features and user reviews. This page is designed to give you an overview of what the app can do. It also provides insights from other users, which can be beneficial in deciding if this app meets your needs. Next, tap the Install button on the app details page. This will initiate the download and installation process. You might see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is significant because it ensures that the app is properly installed on your device for future use. Now, you will need to wait for the installation to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. During this time, you can check your notifications or browse other apps. Once the installation is complete, you will see a notification indicating that the app is ready to use. After the installation is finished, tap the Open button to launch the Chrome Remote Desktop app. This will take you directly to the app's interface. The first time you open the app, it may request permissions to access certain features on your device. Granting these permissions is vital for the app to function correctly and provide the best experience. At this point, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. This step is necessary to connect the app to your devices and manage your remote connections. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you use the correct one associated with your remote computers. This connection is what makes the remote desktop feature possible, allowing you to access your files and applications from anywhere. Finally, choose a computer that has Chrome Remote Desktop set up and enter its PIN to connect. This step is crucial for establishing a secure connection to your computer. The PIN adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only authorized users can access your device. By following these steps, you will successfully download and set up the Chrome Remote Desktop app on your Android device. Now you can remotely access your computer with ease, making your work more flexible and efficient.